I've been asked this question a lot of time by many of my clients and students. And the question is a very simple one. And the question is, can I be hacked if all I do is visit a website? Like I don't click on any link, I don't download any software, I don't download even a PDF. Can I just by being on a website, can that pose a threat to me? And in this tutorial today, I will show you exactly that the answer is yes, but I explain further that it's not just a resounding yes, it is probably one of the biggest cybersecurity threats that you might find. So if you think visiting websites, clicking on websites, and viewing content on website isn't malicious, you are in for a big surprise. You once more for joining. So let's go right to it. So what you see in front of you is a basic website for flight booking, and we've created this website from scratch just to show you how easy it is for a malicious person or a malicious actor to be able to control your browser, or probably even going to the level of controlling your computer. So what we're going to be doing is, if you look at the website keenly and you look at the bottom, you're going to see click for support. Now, if I do put my mouse under that, you see that it's supposed to take me to google.com. Now, if I click on support, then I'm automatically redirected to google.com, where I can go ahead and start making some searches about my particular uh, need for support. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to see if the person who is in control can actually go ahead and control your browser. So we're going to take on the browser options, and the first thing I want to do is to show you that that particular link we just looked at can be changed remotely. So without your knowledge, you won't know anything. So we're going to go ahead and input https www.zoix.com, which in this case is the link where we want the user to go to if they click on that they need support. And we're going to click on execute, and it has been executed. And what we want to do is, if I go and put my mouse over click for support now, you can see that it already changed that in real time. I didn't need to refresh the page. So if I click for support, instead of going to the right link, which is google.com, I am instead redirected to this new website, zoix.com. So that in itself is a lot of problems. Okay, that is in itself is a lot of problems. That means anybody who have the right tool, the right knowledge, can not only change your links, but can hijack your links for you and send you to a wrong website. So we're going to be looking at the second option here, which in my opinion is pretty the most serious one. We're going to be seeing if it's possible to actually fool someone on this page to log in with their Google credentials. So I'm going to click on Google phishing, and under Google phishing, I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to click on execute. When I click on execute, you will notice that our website in real time have changed from a flight booking to a Google Mail kind of, and it looks real. So I'm going to just try to enter my email here. I'm going to say my email is hello company, for example, at gmail.com. This is just something I'm getting out of my head. And then I'm going to enter a very pretty strong password. I'm going to say with a capital company 2018 double star, and then just a percentage just for extra level of security. And I'm going to click on sign in. Now, what it does is it redirects me to a blank page and then actually opens the real Google itself. Okay, it tries to really fool me. Now, what you don't know has happened is you have this information has actually been harvested. Okay, you can see here that my username was collected and that as well as my password was collected in plain text, including the special characters that we've been told. If you have special characters in your password, it makes it more difficult for that password to be hacked. We've been told that, but now we know. All right, so we now go to, to me, this is probably another crazy one where the attacker is able to behave like a real website, and then just kind of fool you into giving out your other credentials. So let's say you are browsing and we just want to harvest your Facebook details, and we select Facebook, we say clear, and we click on execute. Now, if you go to our website, you're going to discover that there's a pop-up from that looks something like from Facebook. I'm going to enter hello company again, hello company as my email at gmail.com. And then I'm going to enter my password again. This time I'm going to change it and click on login. Now, it simply goes away and behave like you've actually entered the right Facebook credentials. But what you don't know also is that this credential has been harvested. You can see here it harvested my email for Facebook and also harvested my password for Facebook in plain text. Okay, so let's go to some really more serious things which I could consider really serious. Now, one of the things that has been going around the world, and a lot of people falling victims to that, is basically um, when your system is blocked or locked based on malware. So we're going to see if we can actually get that. So we're going to go to miscellaneous here, and we're going to say block user interface with modem. Now, the block interface, we can type any message we want. So we can say your system has been blocked and all files encrypted. So use your computer again. Please make a donation or something like that. Most malicious people, actors would say something like this. Make a donation of, let's just say $10, of 10 US dollars, to, and then now they give you a Bitcoin address, Bitcoin, and I don't have a Bitcoin address, but we're just going to enter some crazy stuff here and see if that shows up. And we're going to click on execute. And guess what? If we go to our website now, our website has been blocked. Okay. So your system has been blocked and all files encrypted. To use your computer again, please make donation of $10 to Bitcoin address. Okay. Now I can't even use my mouse. Like you can see, I'm trying to really click. I can't use anything. Like nothing is working. Now, this happens by you just visiting a website. Okay. You absolutely didn't download anything. You didn't do anything wrong. You just visited the website. And this, my friends, there are so many modules which can be used against you. So see you in the next video. And I'm going to be telling you in the next video exactly how to protect yourself from this kind of attack. Have a great day. And bye-bye.